Hi there, good morning peeps, and welcome to another bear report. This time Brighton Beach, Bluff, Durban, South Africa. We still got a little bit of swell this morning. There are gaps in between. Seems like a mirror out there at the moment, so feel already a little bit of northeast puffing here, but there's no biz here, as you can see. Very milky, eh? Looks like there might be biz down at Widenham. We're draining quickly to the low now. Looks like quite a bit of groundswell, eh? Yeah. Yeah, low tide is 10:30. Sea temps around 21 degrees. Current this morning, almost slack but south north. That's an AWEH from the bear. And as always, dive safe and space.
Morning, Steve from Splash Rock. The overnight rain and the northeast that's blowing now scared all the fishermen away. Not just one guy there. One guy there looks like he's baiting up. Quite a chop on the sea. Current is moving left to the right, there's no question. And there's a big swell coming through. Splash Rock being sanded up in the front. Don't see that often. Anyway, I'll go around the corner and look at Lucky Dip. I'm sure we won't find anybody there. Maybe the weather is scaring people away. Let's see what happens. You heard Lucky Dip. Probably hear it through the microphone. The east has picked up big time now. Not really fishable. So those are the conditions from Port Edward, Splash Rock, and from Lucky Dip. Over and out. Have a good day.